like that Africa is the second largest continent. Like that way, the Antarctica is the fifth largest continent. So also it is named as a white continent, snow continent, snow desert. So why it is named like that? Because of the Antarctica, there are some of the specialities. So what is that? Today we have to discuss about the location. So where it was Antarctica? So where is the Antarctica? So Antarctica, it is a place nearby the South Pole. So and we know students, North Pole and the South Pole. So equator divides the Earth in two hemispheres. It is named as the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere. So in that Northern Hemisphere, we found the Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle. So like that, North Pole also. So in the Southern Hemisphere, we found the Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctica Circle and the South Pole. So nearby the South Pole or the Antarctica Circle, especially we can find in the Antarctica continent. So where it was extended. So this Antarctica continent, it was extended. Again, it is the fifth largest continent. It is one of the fifth largest continent. The Africa is the second largest continent. First one is the Asia continent, and the last one is the Australia continent. Like that, fifth largest continent we used to call as a Antarctica continent. It was extended 14.2 million square kilometer. It was extended up to a 14.2 million square kilometer. So compared to India and China. So this Antarctica is bigger than India and China. So compared to USA, United States of America. So this whole Antarctica continent, it was half of the USA. Half of the USA. Like that, what is the physical setting? The physical setting in the sense, today we have to discuss about the Antarctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. Especially this Antarctica Ocean only we are named as a Southern Ocean. So in that Antarctica continent, it was completely covered by the oceans. So which are the oceans we can find there? Especially we are named as Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. This Pacific Ocean, where it was? This Pacific Ocean, especially we can find in the western part of the Antarctica. Western part of the Antarctica, and Atlantic Ocean is a northwestern part of the Antarctica continent. Northwestern part of the Antarctica continent, and Indian Ocean. This Indian Ocean we found in the eastern part of the Antarctica continent. So like that, one of the place we can find there, that is named as a Cape Horn. This Cape Horn place, especially we can find in a USA. Especially we are named as a South America. So this is South America place, Cape Horn. It is very nearest to the Antarctica. How it was nearest? So this is Cape Horn place. It is very nearest to Antarctica. The distance between the Cape Horn and Antarctica, in the sense we are named as a 990 kilometer. 990 kilometer distance only we can find there. Then what is the physical features? See, we know students, in a heading only we know that the Antarctica white continent. Then how it was physically set in a southern pole, or the Antarctica circle. So this ice and the snow covered area. Almost all of the Antarctica continent, it was completely covered by the ice and the snow. Wherever you see the Antarctica continent, it is look like in a white color. So it is named as a ice and the snow covered area. This ice layer, the Antarctica ice layer, it was 2,300 meter thick. 2,300 meter thick. So this whole Antarctica continent we are used to call as a white continent. White continent. Snow, which color it was? It is look like in a white color. So like that, snow desert. The one more name of the Antarctica we used to call as a snow desert. And we know student desert. Desert in the sense wherever you look, we found only a sand. We cannot get a more trees and the plants in there. So like this way, Antarctica also, it is completely look like in a white color. The almost all of the Antarctica, it was completely covered by the snow and ice. So it is a snow desert. And also named as a cold desert. We got the effect from the snow. We got effect from the ice. So this Antarctica continent completely it was We cannot stay in Antarctica continent. How we can stay in wherever the Asia continent or remaining continents like that? We cannot find the human resource in a Antarctica continent. No one person cannot live in a Antarctica continent. So this Antarctica continent, it was divided in a two parts. This physically it was divided in a two parts. This called as East Antarctica and West Antarctica. So what is East Antarctica? What is West Antarctica? How much it was accused in the place of Antarctica continent? So this East Antarctica. This East Antarctica, it was faces South Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. And we know, students, where is the Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean? So northwestern part of the Antarctica we found the Atlantic Ocean, and eastern part we found the Indian Ocean. So this East Antarctica, it was completely faced towards the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. So like this way, it was covers more than half of the continent. This East Antarctica, it was covered most of the Antarctica continent. That means it covered half of the Antarctica continent. So this East Antarctica we are used to call as a Greater Antarctica. Greater Antarctica. Like this is central part of this region we found the plateaus. Central part of this region in the sense we used to call as South Pole and Antarctica Circle. So in that we found many of the plateaus, mountains, valleys, glaciers. So like this we found one more Antarctica used to call as the West Antarctica. So what is the West Antarctica? What is the speciality of this West Antarctica? See, it is one of the unique continent. We know that we cannot get the human resource in Antarctica continent. So it is faces the Pacific Ocean and lies below the sea level. It is so where is the Pacific Ocean? This Pacific Ocean belongs to a western part of the Antarctica Ocean. Western part of the Antarctica Ocean. Like that way, this West Antarctica, it was lies below the sea level. It was lies below the sea level, and S-shaped fringe is points towards the South America. And we know, friends, South America is very nearest to the Antarctica continent. In that S-shaped fringe is points towards the South America. Like this way, the Vinson Massif. So it is one of the biggest mountain in the Antarctica continent. So this Vinson Massif is a 5,140 meter long. 5,140 meter long. And where it was located? This Vinson Massif is located in Ellsworth. The place we can found in Antarctica continent we used to call as Ellsworth. So like this way, the Mount Erebus. The Mount Erebus also one of the important mountain. So how it was? So what is the speciality of the Mount Erebus? The Mount Erebus is the most active volcano. It is one of the most active volcano. And where it was located? This Mount Erebus, it was located in the place of Rose Island. Rose Island. Like that, Mount Prince Charles. Mount Prince Charles also one of the mountain we can found in Antarctica continent. And two large gulfs cut into Antarctica at opposite ends of the transactive mountains, namely Ross Sea and Weddell Sea. So large gulfs. And we know, friends, what is the meaning of gulfs? So this large gulfs cut into the Antarctica continent, and it was opposite ends of the Landstraktive mountain. Landstraktive mountain, namely used to call as the Ross Sea and Weddell Sea. Ross Sea and Weddell Sea. So Antarctica vegetation and animal wealth, and we cannot get the good source of the vegetation and animal wealth from the Antarctica continent because of this whole Antarctica we found snow and ice covered area. So we cannot get the proper condition of the plants and animals. So we found a thick ice sheets. We found only a thick ice sheets. So it is not a sufficient place to grow a crops. So we cannot find a more or the good type of the vegetation. So in that continent we found a 6-month sunshine and a 6-month darkness. 6-month sunshine and a 6-month darkness. That means 6 months we found the daytime, 6 months we found the night. So like that, it is a limited plant these are all the plants that was living between the rocks. Living between the rocks. So that means no one plant grows in the ice sheets. So these are all the plants are living between the rocks. And some of the few animals also we can find there. So which are the few animals? They are named as krill, penguins, whales, sea and seabird. Krill, penguins, whales, seals and seabird. So these are all the few animals we can found from the Antarctica continent. So these are all the animals especially we can found where there is a water body from the Antarctica continent. So what is the meaning of krill? So which animal is this? So krill is one type of a fish. How it was? This krill swims in large groups. It was swims in a large groups. It is one type of a fish. So like that we found the seals. 6 variety types of the seals we can find there. 6 variety types of the seals. And some of the microorganisms are the food of those animals. So what are the animals we can find there? Krill, penguin, whales, seals. So these are all the animals eat some of the microorganisms. So this is the food of the animals. So like this are penguins. So we found a variety of the penguins in Antarctica continent. So which are the variety of the penguins? So penguins in the sense we found emperor penguin and chinstrap penguins. Emperor penguin and chinstrap penguins. So these emperor penguin, it was 3 meters or 2 to 3 meters we can found there. And chinstrap penguins also we can found there. And these are all the penguins. Especially they are made the nest. They are lives in a nest. So each and every bird lives in a nest. So what is the name of the nest of those penguins? We used to call as a rockery. So this rockery is the nest of the penguins. And one of the important place we can find there, that is named as Vostok. It is named as Vostok. This Vostok place, especially it was located in a South Pole, nearby the South Pole. It's Antarctica continent, South Pole. We found the Vostok. So this Vostok, it was lies minus 89 degrees Celsius. Minus 89 degrees Celsius. It is a world's lowest temperature. It was a recordly knows that it is a world's lowest temperature. The place we call as a Vostok. And Antarctic expedition. So what is the Antarctica expedition? So this Antarctica, it is it was a place we cannot get before the 18th century. So after the 18th century, many of the navigators they are invented the Antarctica continent. So before 18th century, we cannot know about the Antarctica continent. The persons we used to call as Charles Wilkes and James Clark Ross. So this is James Clark Ross. He is traveled on the Ross Sea. He traveled on the Ross Sea. Later he was find the Antarctica continent. He belongs to Britain. This James Clark Ross belongs to Britain. And 18th century we found many of the sea voyages. So who are those? Some of the important sea voyages we can found there. The persons we called as Ronald Amundsen. This Ronald Amundsen, he belongs to USA. And he reached the South Pole at the 20th century. And one more important navigator we used to call as Scott. He is also belongs to USA and he reached the South Pole. Later he died at March 1912. Why he died? Because of we cannot get the good condition of the climate in Antarctica continent. And it is the place, already we know that Vostok, it is the place we found a minus 89 degree temperature. So the human cannot live in that temperature. So this Scott also died at March 1912. And one more important person we called as Richard E. Bell. So he is one of the Navy officer from the USA. USA means United States of America, and he reached the Antarctica Antarctica continent at 1929. Then the Antarctica Treaty. So what is the Antarctica Treaty? So why it should be needed? And we know that it is the place we cannot get the human resource. Then why should we need the Antarctica Treaty? So because of many of the aspects we got from this lesson, so it's a continent just for a scientific research. This continent is used for the just a scientific research, and we cannot made any military operations in that continent. Because of this continent, we used to name it as a name of science, or a continent of a science. This continent we are used to call as a continent of a science, and this sign, this treaty sign, we are made at the time of 1959, December 1959. So where it was? See, this treaty, it was made at Washington DC. Washington DC, especially it was signed by 12 important nations. So what are the 12 important nations? So Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Chile, France, Japan, New Zealand, Norway, South Africa, Russia, USA and UK. UK means England. I would like to name once again: Argentina, Australia, Belgium, Chile, France, Japan, New Zealand, Norway, South Africa, Russia, USA and UK. So these are all the nations made the treaty, or they are made the sign in the Washington DC. So which are the places we can found there? From the Antarctica continent. In Antarctica continent, it means where there is a 60-degree latitude. Where there is a 60-degree latitude to the South Pole. To the South Pole. So in those places we cannot make any military operations or the nuclear tests. So we are used to that continent for the scientific research. So like that, the members nation, why they are made the signature in the sense this whole continent we use for scientific inventions. So not for the military operations, and it's a prohibit for the nuclear operations or the nuclear tests. So like that, mineral and oil exploration also completely banned. Mineral and oil exploration and environment pollution. We cannot give a permission to the environment pollution and hunting animals. And we know that some of the species animals we can find there. Penguins, emperor penguin, and the name we used to call as a chin-slip penguin. So we cannot hunt the animals. And the 90% of the world's fresh water is in Antarctica continent. So where we get the fresh water? It is completely ice. Is it not? So these are the icebergs, or these are the ice forms. We found the 90% of the fresh water in the Antarctica continent. So like this way, some of the important information we have. Some of the important 30 nations made a research stations. So why they are made the research station? So some of the aspects we used to call as the structure of the Antarctica continent, climate of the Antarctica continent, and climate changes, and pollution, and biodiversity. See, according to these aspects, they are made the research centers. In that way, India also made its own research centers. So what are those? It means India is under the leadership of COSI. It is far away from the 255 kilometers from Maitri research station. Like that, one more active research station used to call as Bharati. So this Bharati research station, it was an active research station. So it's the third settlement of the India. So why they are made the Bharati research station? What they want to study in that? So in that they all study about the oceanography. This oceanography research we got from the Bharati research station, but now it was already completed. So like that, the India also have got a chance to made many of the important research station. To made a important research station. So like that, today we learned many of the things from Antarctica lesson. So Antarctica, it is called as a white continent, and we already know about why it is called as a white continent and why it is named as a scientific continent, why it is called as a snow desert. We know everything.